In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Jira. First, open Jira and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click the Space Project area. This is where you can access and manage project spaces, and it's the starting point for creating a new one. Next, click the plus icon to create a space project. After you do that, Jira will take you to the Templates and Workflows section. This part is important because Jira offers different templates designed for different kinds of teams and ways of working. If you are part of a software development team, the software development template is usually the best fit. It works well for agile teams using Scrum sprints or a Kanban-style continuous workflow. If your team handles support requests or internal service tickets, then service management is the better option, since it's built for help desks and customer support processes. And if you need something more flexible for general business use, like HR, marketing, or finance, then work management or a blank project is a great choice. That option gives you a simple starting point for tracking tasks and progress without too much structure. Once you've decided which template fits your team, click Use Template to continue. Now you will be asked to name your project. Choose a name that's clear and easy to recognize, so your team can immediately understand what the project is for. After that, you will need to choose a project type. Jira will prompt you to decide how the project should be administered. Team-managed projects are easier to set up and customize, which makes them ideal for individual teams that want full control over their own settings without affecting other projects. Company-managed projects are better for organizations that need standardized workflows across multiple teams. Just keep in mind that changing settings for company-managed projects usually requires Jira administrator permissions. You'll also see the project key. Jira automatically creates this as an uppercase alphanumeric prefix based on your project name. This key is important because it's used to identify and tag all issues inside the project. When everything looks good, click Next. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions. Continue by clicking Next through the remaining setup screens, and once you reach the final step, click Done. After that, Jira will finish creating your project and you will be taken directly to your new board or project dashboard, where you can start organizing work right away. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.